Hello friends, how are you? I expect that all of you are very fine. Today I just want to share with you the very important topic that which I have read yesterday. I just come across with the one book that is a very already I mentioned in the previous video, and the name of the book is You Are Destined for the Skies. There are some chapters, and one of the chapter I want to share with you, and that is, you can see here, I have already written on the backboard, I am a prince, why not? I am a prince, why not? You can see there the great expression behind this sentence. And what is it? Why we should consider ourselves as a prince? That is the part of attitude. If you are just thinking in a positive way, that time you can consider you are the great one, you are the best one, and you are the really prince. Prince is the word that is the symbolize of content, that is the symbolize of happiness, that is the symbolize for everything you have. Yeah, everything you have. There is nothing less in your life. You are very satisfied, you are very content, you are very pleased with everything. And this word is showing the everything. It means that you are just living your life with a positive attitude. Today I want to share with you two stories with you. There is the first one. One day what happened actually, there was a hunter who just having to intend the hunter of animal, birds, such kinds of the things. He very excited to hunt. And what happened, he just encountered with an eagle, and he caught the eagle, and then when he just brought it at home, that time he chained it to the tree. It passing nearly about 2 to 3 months, and what happened, the eagle was just forgotten to fly up into the sky. He just walking around that place. Then after 3 months, what happened, hunter just bought a new house. He wanted to ship the all things one place to the another, but he was just getting the so much, it was just troublesome to transfer that eagle to from that place to the another. So he decided that to set it free into the sky, and he already just set him free. But what happened, the eagle completely forgotten his flight, and he started to walk elsewhere. The rest of the people, the villagers, were also watching that. It was really amazing, which was very surprising for everyone. Why? Because eagle just forgotten his flying, and so many people also tried to just force him to fly. Sometimes they throw into the sky only, but after just flattering its wing, he once again came down on the earth. And then what happened, after trying again and again, he started its flying. Yes, and one day it just came into its life, and that was, he started his flying into the sky at that level. So what is the story, and what is I am going to talk about you? Sometimes we have the everything. Whenever we just live with the positive attitude, so we can catch everything, we can grab the every opportunity in our life. Whenever we encounter and just come across with the such kinds of the opportunities, you can fulfill them with the positive attitude. So don't criticize your fat, so don't criticize to your life. Whatever you have, everything that is already God given you. In the last time I already told you about that. We are the good creation of, not only good, but it is the best creation of God also. So there is the first story I already discussed, already mentioned before you, and right now I am just also telling the another story, and that it is, there was a cowboy who was singing very happily under the tree, and there was a real prince just walking and also passing by that area. He noticed that There was a cowboy who was singing very happily, and so he was very eager, he was very excited to ask some questions, that cowboy. So he just came to him and also asked him that, why you are happy, you are so happy and singing very nicely. So he said that, why not, why should not I just happy, because somewhere I feel that everything I have, the moon is there, sun is there, stars are there, mountain, sky, every birds are, you can see there, birds are flying in the sky. I am also watching that, everything in my surrounding, and the same things have the prince has also. That's why I am consider myself, I am a prince, and the same title is here, you can see there, I am a prince. Why not? Why should not I consider myself I am a prince? Yes, I have everything. So he said that I have everything. I have sufficient food. I have my own house. Everything I have, so I can enjoy just like a prince. That's why I am consider myself I am a prince. So see that this is the positive attitude. In the first story, what happened? Everything you have, but you have forgotten, you are not just paying more attention to the good qualities. And you can see in the second story, the boy, the cowboy was also just to see that he was completely pleased with whatever the qualities God has given him. The same thing is here, there is the comparison between these two stories. So the same thing I wanted to share with you, that is, so don't be just having the inferior quality. Sometimes we have to pay the whatever we have the good things, we have to just follow them, we have to work on it, try to contribute yourself with the positive attitude. You can achieve the everything in your life only with the help of the positive attitude. If you have the positive attitude, if you have want to do something in your life, so you can do everything. So always consider yourself just like a prince. Prince is the symbolize for everything, prosperity, fulfillment, satisfaction, everything. The same thing you can also do in your life. So whatever the God has given you, just work on it and try to fulfill your life with all your dreams. So I hope all of you understood. So today's message was there. Don't be consider yourself as inferior. You have everything. Yeah, you have the everything. At the end of this motivational lecture, and that is, you are the best creation of this nature. Just keep it in mind always and live with your positive attitude. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.